In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace support if without access to Admin Console, 5 minutes. If you're locked out of the Google Admin Console and can't elevate your access, don't worry. I'll walk you through 2 official paths to reach Google Workspace support and prove you own the domain so they can help reset the admin account or promote your user. First, open the Google Admin Toolbox recovery form. This is the route to take when you can't sign into the Admin Console at all. When the page loads, enter either the email address tied to your Workspace admin or the primary domain that's having trouble. Double check spelling here. Typos are the most common reason people get stuck. After you submit, Google generates a support reference number and asks you to verify domain ownership. You'll do that by adding a DNS record, either a CNAME or TXT, at your domain host. Log into your DNS provider, find the DNS or DNS records section, and add the exact record Google shows. Don't change existing records, just add the new one. If you see a TTL option, leaving the default is fine. Save the record and return to the recovery form to confirm you've added it. DNS can take a few minutes to update, but in many cases, verification is near instant. Keep your reference number handy, it's how support tracks your case. Once the domain is verified, Google support will contact you at the secondary email you provided. Make sure that inbox is accessible and monitored, and check spam or junk if you don't see anything. They'll guide you to reset the admin account or promote your user to an admin role. Be ready to answer straightforward questions about the domain to confirm you're the rightful owner. There's also a faster option if you set up recovery details on the admin account. Go to the Google Login Recovery page, enter the admin email address, and follow the prompts. If a recovery phone or secondary email is on file, you can receive a verification code or reset link within minutes without touching DNS records. Use this path if you still have access to those recovery methods. It's the quickest way to get back in. To recap, try the Login Recovery page if recovery options exist. If not, use the Admin Toolbox recovery form, add the CNAME or TXT record exactly as shown, and wait for support to reach out. With those steps, you'll be back in control of your Workspace admin access.